to the M&R channel. It's your girl Makaya.
And it's your girl Rita.
And we are back with the first mukbang on this channel. But because we did an ASMR and now we're doing just a regular mukbang. So yeah.
And we are eating.
Yes, like I told y'all in the video we just posted, we were going to do spaghetti mukbang and all that. Yes, we have the same thing, but except I just don't have the salad. She has salad. I really don't like salad, but they can see that good. Guys, because I have to get the paper towels.
I got one.
You got one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So, let's get into the video. Yeah, let's eat. So, I'm about to open this. Yeah, because I'm thirsty.
You always thirsty.
I know. I always get fast. I gotta take a drink of this. Ooh, you guys, it burns. Okay, I'm just gonna put it like right there.
We gotta say our grace.
Okay, I will say it. Heavenly Father, we thank you for the truth we're about to receive. Amen.
Amen.
I love these.
Forgot to show our
I have this at school.
Oh, wow. That was broken hair.
Okay, something to eat. So, you guys. So, you guys, how have y'all been?
Hope y'all been doing good. And it's a new year, 2019.
Yes.
A blessing.
A real one. So, Mom, how have your days been going?
Good. We went to church today. We enjoyed ourselves at church.
A lot happened at church. And I don't want to go next Sunday because of what happened. You guys, have y'all ever drank the Sprite? And it burns so bad. It burns your throat. You just want to go. It burns so bad.
Why are you staring at me?
It's the last of my eye. I'm tickling.
It's good.
Yeah, ready? So good. Comment down below if we sing Blackfish. Who thinks the orcas should be out of captivity, or who thinks they should stay, or who thinks they should go to the ocean? Me, I personally think, in my opinion, that they should just let them go. The dolphins too,
And then they won't have no
and
business.
the sea lions. Oh well, they need to stop, because what they're doing to the animals, that ain't good.
Cruelty, huh?
And then Telecom killed 3 people, which is done, and I don't know and then a woman, Alex. It was Alexis. Alexis.
Was that Telecom?
But they
That
just
was
need
in
to.
Spain.
They just need to let them go, cause like they're gonna start tearing them up, and they want to get back. They've been fighting to get back in the water with the orcas. Like y'all, they trying to help you guys not die, lose your life. Now when y'all die, don't be saying nothing, cause Ain't nothing they can do. You trying to fight back to get, they've been trying to tell people to not go in, the trainers to not go in the water with the orcas, because the orcas get aggravated and they get mad and they cannot run their stress off because that little bitty old pool look like a pool that you swim in. That's not enough room for them. They're about this big and telecommut's big, and then they have a big dorsal fin, and the trainers tell you, oh no, they just do that because when they get old. Do you see that in the ocean? No, it be straight up. Like, they be telling stories. I can't believe it.
It's just sad.
I feel sorry for sea lions, orcas, dolphins. All they can do is just go like this around the pool. Like, and like they bite on things, and like they get sunburns and they paint them with some kind of stuff, and they get unhealthy and they feed them this gel stuff. Like, what is that? Oh my goodness. It's sad. And I like how the trainers was telling the truth on Blackfish, because they know it was wrong. They was like, why can't they just let them go?
They was
be
even
free?
crying.
Yes, like I can't believe it. That was the trainers too. They used to be trainers, and now they feeling bad. They're like, I did not get it because I was young, so that's why I used to catch them. Look at Mama over here smashing her food. And you ain't talking. But girl, this is how to ASMR.
I know this food just so good. I'm hungry.
I'm talking.
It might not be good to you.
I just said the whole. It's good. But I still got to talk because this is how ASMR. And I just feel like they just probably want to hear something. I just be like,
I got something for you.
mm?
I'm ready for school tomorrow.
For me?
Me.
You have to. Hey, let me see what time is it. Oh, it's 6:47, you guys. My clothes are still in the dryer. You guys, I'm ready for school tomorrow because Tuesday I got a dentist appointment, and I'm gonna tell my mom to record it because I really want her to.
I can't record that at the dentist.
You can't?
It said up there you can't record while you back there.
I'm going to record.
No, you not.
I'm gonna just show y'all my color when I get in the car. Tuesday I'm going. Okay.
You taking your time on that bread, ain't you, big girl? Trying to say that for last.
It's not that good.
It's not?
Just kidding. It's good.
Oh, well, I ain't make the bread.
If y'all wanna know she's eating ice and salad. When y'all
Croutons.
Yeah. Woo!
Look at that crouton. When you do our thumbnail? Never
I
do.
do it myself, Mom.
Oh, I thought you got that out.
I did. I gotta download it. Cause that was a week out.
Oh, it was.
I had another one. Why is it still burning?
Why you got spaghetti? I was gross.
Give him a burp.
Excuse me, first.
We're done.
Huh?
This is so delicious, you guys. I'm not even full yet. You full?
Who, me? Funny. This ain't no ASMR, Kylie. Why is so quiet?
Ma, I was talking a lot. Okay, so let me talk again. Okay, so how
Silly.
about something else. So when I get older, nobody knows what I want to be but me.
A teacher?
Not anymore. I see how them children act. Ooh. I whoop them.
You will be in jail.
I'm like, hush, hush. Well, I don't know how I'm going to be when I get older. So, yeah.
You probably have patience with children then.
Mama. But, no, you got to guess again. I don't want to be a teacher.
A veterinarian. She loves animals.
But sometimes they get on my nerves. But I just really want to be a veterinarian. Because I just feel like pets need the help. Because the people are not giving it to them. Like, I just want to help the animals. Hold on. Like, I just want to help the animals they see well and just take them back to their home. Because, like, they're not supposed to be there. And, like, I just want to help save animals like that and give them back to their home if they still be there when I'm, like, old enough, like 20 or 19. I just really love animals, and I just do not want to see them getting hurt. And everything.
Yeah, she wants to go to SeaWorld and take the whales back to the wild.
Yes, I really wish I can. And if I really could sue SeaWorld, I would. Cause they're doing it really bad. They're doing it really, 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 really bad. Okay. You guys, I don't know why I'm laughing. Idea popped up into my head. Y'all ready? I'm gone. Got a clean plate.
That was delicious.
Tell them a story. What was it like you growing up? When you was growing up?
When I was growing up, it was a whole lot different than this generation.
How was it?
It was fun. Very fun.
Not funner than this. Back in the
No,
day.
you
there
don't
were
know
slaves.
that. Yeah, back in the day, that wasn't my time.
Now this ain't no slave.
What?
I said ain't no slaves right now.
Yes, it is.
For real?
There's still slavery going around.
I'm
But in my days when I was younger, all that fighting and stuff, you know how the boys wear the sagging pants and all that?
They didn't do that?
No.
Why?
Why? Because that's the way they was raised.
Hold up, Ma. This teacher was Mr. Berry. He was like, if they were saying their parents, they gay or something like that. He had said something about that.
I don't know if they're gay, but they don't have no respect for
And
people no
then they
more.
said little boys who be walking around. He said little boys who be walking around the school like that. They think they gangsters. He said back in the day they didn't used to do that.
Not in my day.
And they said now y'all think y'all thugs, gangsters.
Wanna be.
Wanna be gangsters. Well, you know I'm a gangster, so.
Girl.
Wanna be gangster.
Girl.
You
wish.
No, I don't. I don't want to be.
You know how expensive stuff is now? We used to have candy and stuff that cost gum. This gum used to cost a penny. Chips used to cost 25 cents a bag, a quarter. Yes. Sodas used to cost a quarter.
That's actually fun because, like, I wish I grew up like that, and I got some cheap stuff. I can be like, oh yeah, this costs 25 cents. But back in the day, y'all didn't have phones or nothing, so.
Yes, we did.
Not like these.
No, not no Apple or nothing, but they had cell phones. The mugs was big, real big. They was. I'm gonna show you one on.
Yeah, I like my lock screen. Hold on, let me show y'all. Oh, I think I need to turn. Oh, I always got to turn my brightness down. I forgot. Hold on, I need
They
to turn
can't
it.
see that.
I know I need to turn it up a little bit more. Y'all see that?
She's so silly.
That's my lock screen, and I'm gonna show y'all my home screen. It's nobody but these. Singers. ZHD. If y'all don't know them, that's them. Ew.
What's wrong with that hair?
No, nothing. It's just dreads, I
See
think.
that back in the days when I was growing up, they ain't have no dreads.
What they had?
Just regular fades. They wear that style now.
Oh, bald fade. No,
Yes.
hold up, bald. Just bald.
Yes, they ain't had a.
Hold up, Ma.
box
I need to
top.
shout out some people. Shout out to... Ma, shout out some people. Ma, just shout out some people. I know. I'm shouting out some of my family members. Okay, y'all ready? For the give y'all. Shout out to...
KK.
Shout out to Jordan. Shout out to Candace. Yeah.
Who else?
Who else?
Shout out to Kyler.
Oh. Shout out to Maddie. Because she watches.
Shout out to who else?
Who else? I'm just finna shout some people out. Shout out to Nage. That's my friend, which is / my sister. Okay? / sister.
Shout out to TT.
TT. Oh, shout out to TT Ernestine. TT Bonet. Shout out to Chaka. Shout out to Keisha, Jalecia. Who else?
Tanya.
Oh, yeah, Tanya.
Gail Palm in the house.
Hold on, who else? Shout out to Sanaya. Shout out to Spencer, R.I.P. He was a guinea pig. Y'all, rest in peace, Spence.
He will be greatly missed.
Hold up, who else?
Shout out to Enoch.
Shout out to Enoch Poo. Enoch. Shout out to Gray Bay, even though his name is Gray. Shout out to Bluey. Shout out to Bluey Wooey. Shout out to Kitty Witty. Shout out to Ori. Shout out to Cole. Hold up.
Shout out
And
to
shout out to the best mom. How you not gonna say it?
I knew you were going to say it.
And shout out to Curtis. Oh my goodness. Oh, shout out to my Mimi, Janika. I love you, Mimi. Shout out to Maya. Shout out to Sebastian. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I really miss you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh, and shout out to my Uncle Mike. I call him my Uncle Mike. So, yeah. Who else?
Shout out to, I don't know.
Hold on, who else? I kind of forgot. Shout out to Javante.
Oh, how we gonna forget Tay?
Shout out to, but I ain't forget him.
Uncle Levon, Dre.
Oh, shout out to Aiden and Alea.
Yay, Keisha.
I said Keisha.
Oh, I ain't hear you.
Oh, and shout out to Jalecia.
You
baby.
said her. Oh.
I said her baby. I don't know her baby name though. Who else? Oh, I forgot the people in our family.
Shout out to all the people in our family.
And shout out to Patrick. Oh, here they come, y'all. Oh, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We love you guys. We out.
Love you.